your coilover. Technically this is your strut and your McPherson. So when you're doing the coilovers, the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to take off your brake stay, and you're going to want to take off your wheel speed sensor bolt down here. These are 12 mil. Reverse. We got the strut in, don't tighten up the top bolts until after everything's tightened up and the car's back down on the ground. That's 35 foot-pounds on those. Easier to do the top bolt, and then you can swing it in and do the bottom. So we're going to torque these down to 230 foot-pounds. Always remember to torque down on the bolt, not the head, on the nut, not the bolt head. Car's got a while before it's actually going to hit the road again, so I'm not really worried about figuring out my sway bar end links today or getting the ABS brake line tied down. Not really on my to-do list right now. Once everything's set, I got to figure out whether or not I'm going to keep these, go with hub centric, or just get rid of them altogether and see if I can camber and tuck the wheel in. So just make sure that you torque these things down. Like I said, 225 is book, plus or minus I think 10, so I put it at 230. That should hold. I've never had a problem on my old one with that. So once once I get the tire on, we're going to drop it down, and then I'm going to torque the top mount bolts to 40 foot-pounds. Then we're done. Alright, so you guys can see this is pretty much where we're at. That's the front. I'm still waiting for a knuckle for back here since somebody decided to weld on the strut. I gotta cut that off. Not bad for an eyeball. Gaps are pretty close. And if anybody actually realized, I put it in backwards. Alright guys, so the Eclipse is coming along pretty quick. Still a lot of work to do. So front coilovers are in, gotta get the back ones in. Once we get the back ones in, we can actually readjust everything, get everything done.
Ernest,
What?
put it away. Zip up.
I don't even have a zipper. So, some of you guys know, I'm over here in Colorado now, working at Gearhead Garage. Couldn't tell you where, you know it's up Woolsey. Great shop, great guys. But, if you guys need any other questions or anything like that, let me know. You guys can hit me up on Instagram, I'm on there all the time. I'm trying to get the Facebook up and running, it's taking a little bit longer than I really would like. My shop is up and running if you guys want to support the build. But that's up to you guys. I do have shirts, stickers, and I do make the power and ground straps. I am coming out soon with a full replacement for the battery for the negative side. But that's up to you guys if you want to, you know, reach down there and take out that 14 volt off your trans, change the whole system out. But it'll come with a new terminal as well. But as you guys can tell, the coilovers are not hard. They're pretty simple. I'm going to do another video in the future about how to actually adjust and set. But since I'm not worried about that right now, I'm just trying to get it on the car. That's going to be another video down the road. But if you guys like what you see, follow and hit me up on Instagram. Thanks for watching.